Welcome to BioMars.
Hello everyone. On the last time, I explained the factors that affecting human lifespan. So today I gonna keep talking about these topics and finish the last two parts. For the last time, we give the definition for maximum lifespan and life expectancy, and talking about how cell can affecting human lifespan. So just quickly review that cell can affect human lifespan because of sperm and egg quality, that maybe some elder parents' children have higher mutation rate, and higher mutation rates tend to affect human lifespan or tend to decrease human lifespan. And second thing is molecular damage, that some molecular damage will dysfunction. So this will be one reason that how cell can affect human lifespan. And then we talk about evolution, that natural selection is helpful for human in long human lifespan, but mutation rate and drift are harmful or bad to human lifespan. And then I'm gonna talk about how ecology can affect human lifespan. Maybe many people feel weird that how ecology can affect human lifespan, but I will give two things. One is different location. Different location will cause different diseases. For example, in my home country, China. China is super big, just as big as the US. The US, and my country is in the northeastern part, which name is Harbin. I'm not sure it's correct enough word, but you can compare my home country as Milwaukee in the United States. It's super cold. In the winter, it's a negative 30 Celsius, and in the summer it can reach more than positive Celsius. So, because of the super huge temperature difference, especially on the in the winter, is negative 30 Celsius. So many elder people have problem on their thought, so they cannot breathe in some super cold weather. So that's will be one reason that different location will cause different disease. And so many people tend to move to an island. Name is Hainan Island. This island's weather is similar with LA or Bay Area. It's more hotter than Bay Area. Okay, it's more likely to as same as the LA. During the in the Hainan Island, people do not have that many sick in their thought, so they tend to live longer. And second thing is educated. That the education rate or educated rate is really large effect that to human lifespan, because if more people get a higher education level, they tend to education level tend to have more income, and they are able to buy insurance or buy enough food. In many countries of in the world, many people are very poor, so because they do not have higher education level, so they are poor, so they cannot buy insurance or enough food, so they might have a lower lifespan. For example, in my home country, China, 40 years ago, our average lifespan is about like 60 years old, and currently lifespan is 77.43. So it's amazing increase because in the 1972, most of people do not have bachelor degree. Yeah, that's true. Most of people are farmer. So they do not have money. They cannot buy enough food. Actually, China do not have insurance at that time. But in currently, in nowadays, most of young people, younger generation, are get at least bachelor degree, and most of them also get a master degree. Some of them get a postdoc or doctor degree, and also some of them travel to or study abroad. Like me, I study in the U.S. So because of the education rate is higher, so human lifespan is become higher. And second thing is how to extend human lifespan. This will be very interesting topic because everyone want to live for the forever, right? So the first thing is genetic manipulation, and second thing will be ecological forecasting. Both of them are kind of forecasting. Actually, currently we do not have any medicine that if you eat you can live forever. No, but the better forecasting can helping people in long or extend our lifespan. I will talk about genetic manipulation at first. Genetic manipulation is about gene. It's gene silence. Basically, if we use this technique, we can forecasting some mutations in the baby or in people. For example, if two elder parents they born us children, we can use this technique to these children that okay, this child might, for example, just an example that might have HPV, so we can just silence that gene. This is epigenetic, which is very new and very amazing tool. And I believe I will talk about epigenetic later, about next video. Yeah. And the second thing will be ecological forecasting. That um, it also can forecast the potential disease because it can predict the potential disease, so people will have solution for it. Yeah. So there are two ways to extend human lifespan, and basically the only way to extend human lifespan in nowadays is forecasting.